This is the Great Wall of China as you dream of experiencing it. Not a battle with crowds, but a conversation with history on your own terms. Hey everyone, Joe here, and welcome back to the Middle Kingdom Code. If you're new here, this channel is your decoder ring for China. We go beyond the guidebooks to give you the secrets, the strategies, and the authentic experiences you need to travel smarter and deeper. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're cracking a major code today. How to plan a trip to the Great Wall and avoid the crowds. Planning a trip to the Great Wall is one thing. Planning a trip where you feel like you have a piece of this ancient wonder to yourself, that's a whole different skill. And in late 2025, with travel back in full swing, it's more crucial than ever. I've seen the tour buses, I've been stuck in the human traffic jams. And I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm giving you my complete, step-by-step system for experiencing the Great Wall in peace. We're talking location, timing, logistics, and a few insider secrets. Let's crack the code. Step 1. The single most important decision: choosing your section. This isn't just a choice. It's the choice. Picking the wrong section means you've already lost the crowd battle before you even start. First, you have to eliminate the obvious choices for peace and quiet. Badaling and Mutianyu are famous for a reason. They're incredibly restored and really easy to get to. That also means they are the main destinations for massive tour groups. Unless you go at the most extreme off times, which we will discuss, you will face crowds here. So let's break down your best options for 2025. Option A is what I call the best overall balance: Jinshanling to Simei West. This is my top recommendation for most travelers seeking that epic, photogenic, and quiet wall experience. It's a semi-restored, semi-wild section. You get breathtaking watchtowers, rugged scenery, and a fantastic 3 to 4 hour hike. The key here is that most big tours only go to the Simei East entrance for the cable car and the light show at night. The Jinshanling side and the hike between the two is where you find solitude. Then there's option B, the adventurer's choice, which is Jiankou to Mutianyu. This is for the physically fit who want a raw, unreconstructed wall. Jiankou is completely wild. It's challenging, it's breathtaking, and it filters out about 95% of all visitors. You typically hike from the wild Jiankou section to the restored Mutianyu section, where you can then take a toboggan or cable car down. A critical note for 2025: always check the current access rules for Jiankou. Local guides are often required, and they are a great investment for safety and navigation. And finally, option C, the hidden gem close to Beijing, Huanghuqing or Zhuangdao. Want something really different? Huanghuqing has the wall literally running into a reservoir. It's incredible for photos. Zhuangdao is a tiny, unrestored village section. These see just a fraction of the visitors, but they do require more logistical planning, often involving a private driver or very detailed taxi instructions. So your homework right now is to research these three options. Look at recent videos and blogs from 2024 and 2025 to see the current conditions. Pick the one that matches your fitness and your adventure level. Okay, step 2, master the timing: day, season, and hour. You've picked your section. Now, let's use timing as your superpower. Let's start with the season. You have to avoid Chinese national holidays at all costs, especially the first week of October and the first week of May. The wall is a pilgrimage site for domestic tourists during those times. Late spring, so May after the holiday, and early autumn, so September and October before the holiday, are absolutely perfect. Winter is brutally cold, but it offers the most stunning, empty vistas, and you can get cheap hotels. Summer is hot, humid, and busy with student groups. Next is the day of the week. This is non-negotiable. Go on a weekday. Monday through Thursday are your best friends. Friday starts to get busy, and weekends, especially Saturdays, are for the crowds. And finally, the time of day. You have to be ruthless here. Be at the ticket gate before it opens. This is usually around 8 o'clock or 8:30 a.m. The first 2 hours are golden. Alternatively, be the last one in. Arrive 3 to 4 hours before closing. Most of the tour groups are already heading back to Beijing by then. A combination of a weekday in the shoulder season and with an early start. That's the holy trinity of solitude on the Great Wall. Step 3, the logistics of escape: getting there and the overnight game changer. How you get there really determines your state of mind. Public transport is the budget option, but it's limited. For Mutianyu or Badaling, you can take a tourist bus or a train, but you'll be on their schedule, arriving with everyone else. For places like Jinshanling or Huanghuqing, public transport becomes complex and really time-consuming. A private driver or taxi is the sweet spot for small groups for about 600 to 1000 RMB for the day, and you should check 2025 rates. You can rent a car. This gives you the ultimate flexibility for those early starts and late finishes. You can book through your hotel or a reputable app like Didi for intercity trips. But here is the ultimate secret weapon: stay overnight. This is the master key. Book a guest house or a hotel in a village near your chosen section: Gubei Water Town near Simitai, a farm stay near Jinshanling, or a guest house at the foot of Jiankou. You wake up already there. You beat every single person coming from Beijing. You can catch the sunrise or sunset on the wall, moments that almost no one else gets to experience. I cannot recommend this enough. Step 4, on the ground tactics: hike smart. You're there. Now you have to move with purpose. Hike against the flow. At places like Jinshanling or the Mutianyu Jiankou hike, research the main entry points for tours. Usually they take the cable car up one side and walk a short distance. You should start at the opposite end. You'll be walking away from the crowds as they slowly trickle in, and pack like a pro. Water, snacks, good hiking shoes, sun protection, and some cash for small entrance fees at village trails are essential. Download offline maps, and please tell someone your plan. Most importantly, respect the wall. If you're on a wild section, take all your trash with you. Don't deface anything. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, not a theme park. A quiet moment on the Great Wall isn't just a better photo op, it's the feeling of the wind through the battlements, the sound of your own breath matching the footsteps of centuries, the space to truly grasp the magnitude of what you're seeing. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's not about avoiding people, it's about finding the moment that's meant for you. Until next time, keep decoding your journey.